Tell me what truck you think sounds the best and has the best engine. I got a 25 F250 Lariat. This has a 6.7 liter Power Stroke engine in it. This has about 495 horsepower. I got a 25 F250 Super Duty. This is an XLT. This got the 7.3 liter V8 Godzilla engine in it. This has about 430 horsepower. I got a 2020 Chevy Silverado 1500 RST. This one has the V8 5.3 liter engine in it. This is pumping out about 355 horsepower. And I got a 2023 Ram 1500. This is a 5.7 liter V8. This is pumping out about 375 horsepower.